Hi friends, today we shall discuss subqueries or nested queries. Query within a query. Select statement provided in a conditional clause where or having is known as subquery. In a subquery, first inner query will be executed and based on the output of inner query, outer query will be executed. Advantages: they improve performance while retrieving or manipulating data. Maximum 32 queries can be nested. Examples. Let us come to the examples. First, we need to start Oracle. Press C M. We'll get the command prompt. Right click on it. Run as administrator. Say yes. Maximize the screen. You should type it as QLPLUS plus forward slash as SYSDBA sysdba. So we can see SQL is connected successfully. Let us clear the screen. CLSCR. So now let us come to the next example. Let us come to the first example. List the employees who belong to Adam's department. So for this query one, we need to do copy and paste. Select department number from employee where rename is equal to Adams. So it is department number 20. Then we need to do the second query. Select star from employee. Select star from employee where department number is equal to 20. So you can see it is not showing properly. We need to set the page size and line size. Set PAGESIZD page size to 150 and set line size to 150. Now if we try select star from employee department number is 20, we can see here. So we need two queries to do this task. Using subqueries, this can be done within a single query. Using subquery, select star from employee department number is equal to select department number from employee name is equal to Adams. So let us try this example. Copy. Let's clear the screen and paste. So here you can see we are getting the same output. Department number 20. Now we shall come to the next example. List the employees who got highest pay. So for this we shall copy this query, copy and paste. Select star from employer salary is equal to select max sal from employee. So you can see it is king. He is having the salary 5,000. So this is the maximum salary and department number 10. Now let us come to the next example. List the employees whose pay is more than average pay. Copy and paste. Select star from employee where sal greater than select average sal from employee order by sal. So these many employees are having their salary more than average pay. More than average pay. Now we shall come to the next example. List the employees whose pay is less than average pay. So for this we need to do this query. And paste. Select star from employee where sal is lesser than select average sal from employee order by sal. So we can see 8 rows selected, 6 rows and 8 rows, so total 14 rows. So these many employees are having their salary less than average sal. We shall come to the next example. Raise the pay by 20% for employees whose pay is less than average pay. So for this we need to do this query. Copy and paste. So update employee set sal is equal to sal plus round sal star 0.2 where sal lesser than select average sal from employee. So you can see 8 rows updated. Now if we do this query once again, we can see that Now you can see here this second salary, this 7900 salary was 950. Now it's showing 1150. So it was 800, it is showing 960. So salary has increased. 8 rows have been updated. So these 8 rows are updated. Let us come to the next example. List the employees who are having subordinates. List the employees who are having subordinates. So this is the query. We shall copy it and paste it. Press enter. So select star from employee where EMP number in select distinct manager from employee. These many employees these many employees are having subordinates. These many employees are having subordinates. Now we shall come to the next example. List the employees who are not having subordinates. So for this we need to do this query. Copy and paste. Select star from employee where EMP number not in select distinct manager from employee. No rows selected. That means list the employees who are not having subordinates. All the employees are having subordinates. So now one more query. Select star from employee where employee not in select distinct manager from employee where manager is not null. So we shall try this query. Here you can see select star from employer EMP not in select distinct manager from employer manager is not null. Manager is not null. These many rows are selected. Note distinct clause picks the null values. Not in operator will not support with null value. Now let us come to the next example. List the employees who are working in New York City. Shall copy this query. Copy and paste it. Select EMP number, rename cell, job, department number from employer. Department number is equal to select department number from department where location is equal to New York. So you can see 3 employees have been selected. The location is New York. So now we shall come to the special operators in subqueries. Number first one is exists. It's a boolean operator. It gives the status of inner query. If inner query is success, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. Any or some. It takes the smallest value from result of inner query. Method all. It takes the largest value from result of inner query. Examples. List the employees of department 10 if there are more than 5 analysts in same department. So we shall try this query. Let us clear the screen. So select EMP number, rename sal job, department number from employee where department number is equal to 10 and exist. Select count star from employee where department number is equal to 10 and job is equal to analyst having count greater than 5. So you can see no rows selected. You can see here no rows selected. So come to the next example. List the employees whose salary is more than 10th department lowest pay. So this is the query. P and paste. Select star from employee where sal is greater than any. Select sal from employee. Department number is equal to 10. So these many rows have been selected. That is, these many people, these employees are having salary more than 10 department lowest pay. Let us come to the next example. List the employees whose salary is more than 10 department highest pay. Because you can see here no rows selected. No rows selected. Now any means minimum sal, all means maximum sal. Note any and all supports with greater than sign only. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Tomorrow we shall discuss correlated subqueries. Thank you.